Hi, friends. Thanks so much for joining me for Sherry's DIY Secrets. It's early in the morning and I've got to get started because I have a recipe for rice dressing. You may call it dirty rice, but I'm going to share it with you so that you can make it for your family as well. Happy Father's Day, happy Juneteenth, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for this next part, I'm going to be mixing dry ingredients and the meat with my vegetables that I've just chopped up. So I've actually placed all of the vegetables in a Ziploc bag just so that it's easier to incorporate everything. So I'll show you the next step. Don't forget to subscribe because there's more to come. Okay, so a few disclaimers here. First, if you've ever made rice dressing before and you're looking at this, it really does not look like what rice dressing looks like at the beginning. But do not, I beg you, don't add any additional rice. It always looks like it needs more rice, but trust me, in the end, it all works out. Now that I have the ingredients mixed together, I'm going to add my seasoning. And you can decide to use Creole seasoning or you can add your own. I pretty much add a little cayenne, a little white pepper, and maybe a little bit more salt. So I'm going to show you the next step, and then it goes into the oven. And I almost forgot, I'm going to clean up around here because I've dealt with raw chicken. And now it's time for the seasoning. And I actually found a couple more items in the pantry that I decided to toss in. So in this bowl, I have white pepper, cayenne pepper, onion powder, and just a small amount of garlic powder, as well as a little salt. Now, if you do nothing else, make sure you do this. You're going to need to lock in the steam while it's cooking. So double foil your dish. If you have a lid that goes on the dish that you're using, I still suggest that you put the foil on first and then put the lid on top. After removing your dish from the oven, allow it to sit covered for 15 minutes. Do not peek. So I thank you for joining me today. I hope that all the fathers out there enjoy their Father's Day. Happy Juneteenth. And I'm going to finish getting food on the grill so that we can enjoy this cookout. Until next week, bye friends. See you soon.